Good morning, friends. How are you? Back in the greenhouse, of course, another day. It's nice and sunny out, so it'll be nice and warm here. We are waiting on a shipment of plugs today, actually 2 different shipments, so that's going to fill up a lot of the greenhouse and a lot of work. We've just been working lately on getting all the pots filled so that when those come in, we can start planting right away. It's going to be a really busy morning. We have our mail run to do with the fertilizers. We do that every morning, so if you order normally within 24 hours, we have that shipment coming out to you. And that's just one process that we do. Been working on the website. We have some exciting news at the end of the week with that. And, yeah, just trugging along today. We've been kind of waiting on plugs. It's Wednesday, so, hopefully that shipment will be in early this afternoon so we can start working. Now, normally I'm the one in the background working and Scott's the one talking. And today I'm going to flip this around. Maybe not. There we go. Today I have Scott working and you can see him. He's watering. And this is where I find him most of the time in the mornings is he'll be out early in the morning watering and getting everything ready for the day, especially when the season starts. We don't want to be watering, when customers are coming through. They won't be back here, but he needs to be out front. So we try to get up really early and get that done. We don't like to water in the evening because you don't want those plants to sit wet. But being on you can see all the geraniums here. Aren't they gorgeous? And he's checking every basket because they all drink differently at this point. Hey, Scott, I know you've been talking about soil. So why don't you explain a little bit more about the hydro soil that you were talking? Hold on 1 second. Let me flip this around for you. I'll plug this and then I'll get back to work somewhere else.
Oh, sure now. Oh, I gotta stop working.
Yep.
All right. So Hydrafiber, as promised. We talked a little bit about soil yesterday, and I alluded that we're going to talk a little bit about Hydrafiber, and just it's a big word, and I just want you to be aware of Hydrafiber. And Hydrafiber is basically a replacement for peat moss, and peat moss is that moisture control that is in the soil, and we love peat moss. It's a great moisture control component. And it comes out of these great big peat bogs out of Canada, mostly. And it's kind of it's a natural resource that's being depleted. They have millions of acres in Canada of the peat moss, but they don't want to just, unconsciously just use it all up. So they've been looking for an alternative, and that's where the Hydrafiber comes in. And what the Hydrafiber is, it's a wood product. It's basically a very finely shredded, I think it's pine, but trees, and they shred it up, and it holds water really, really well. It holds a lot of water. So it's a great product, but it's something that you have to be aware of. So here's 2 geraniums, and I hope you can kind of see. This one, you can see the color of the soil. So look at the color of the soil on this one, and look at the color of the soil on this geranium. So there is a difference, and the difference is the moisture content. So they were watered, approximately the same, in the same area, but it's something that you have to be conscious, especially as, for greenhouse growers. We really got to look at it. We know that geraniums do not like to have wet feet, meaning you don't want to just drench your geranium. They have a very delicate root system, and if you overwater with the geraniums, you will turn those roots into mush, and they'll just die. So you want to try to run your geraniums a little bit drier, not just dry, but just drier. You don't want them to be overwet. So with the Hydrafiber, you really have to watch it. So you can see this one looks dry, and the Hydrafiber, it really holds that moisture in. So it's good. It's good for a lot of people. So if you typically don't water enough, this will help you. So that's a great thing for that category of people. The other category of people, if you overwater, this is going to kill your plants. So it's good to be conscious of your watering habits, and just to double check. take a little bit better of a look and see that is my watering correct. So this geranium is pretty wet, and you can tell by how dark that soil is. So I really have to be very conscious of when I'm watering, especially a crop like geraniums. And that's why I was really looking at each and every one of, this one is dark, I'm going to pass right over this one. The next one, I could see the color of this, and I can feel, okay, it's light, it needs a little drink, but I can tell by the color of that soil. So Hydrafiber is just, and it's in most of the soils now that peat moss is being replaced. So it's not like it's a coming trend. It's here, and it's probably here to stay. And it's just a good thing that that you learn. I had to relearn my watering. I really have to watch my hanging baskets, watch that I'm not overwatering, and overwatering will kill your plants just like underwatering. So you do need to be aware of that. So that's just a little word on the Hydrafiber and being aware. It's good to check and double check your watering, because that's where a lot of people get tripped up. So
what else is on the agenda for today?
Well, let's see. We got our.
I like to keep them on task.
Yeah, and on target. So
once plugs come in, you'll have recycling to do.
Yay!
Some more website stuff.
Yeah, yay, recycling.
Bookwork.
Yep.
Would you like bookwork or recycling?
I don't like bookwork, not one bit.
So then you like recycling.
I don't like that either. I guess I got some watering to do.
It's all part of our day. It's what we do.
Yeah.
So I think I'm gonna maybe do a cooking video tonight.
Ooh, what are you cooking?
Chicken pot pie. Samantha asked for it.
Chicken pot pie.
Yeah, it's a good recipe.
Have you watched her cooking videos? If you have, let us know, or what you like, or what you want her to cook. Ooh. Because guess who gets to eat it? So come up with something really good. I like pies. She doesn't like making pies, but I love pie. I got kind of a sweet tooth. I like that kind of stuff.
Yeah, you do. All right. Well, have a great day. We're gonna get back to work.
Bye-bye.